Hi guys, so today I'll gonna teach you on how to create ads on your Facebook page. But before that, let's talk about first the importance of Facebook ads. So the Facebook ads, it will allow us to have a precise targeting based on factors like age, gender, interest, behavior, and location. This ensures your message will reaches the right people. It may for the business, the entertainment, or depending on what the purpose of your Facebook page. So here, let's start in creating our Facebook ads. So let's click this create ads. And here it will prompt us this goal. So let's try to change this one. So here in goal, we have an option here of what really our goal in in creating a Facebook ad. So let's check this here. So we have here the automatic. So the automatic, we will let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on our settings. So, or if our goal is to have a get more calls, so it is for sales. And on in getting more website visitors, so it is for traffic. Get more message or get more visits, so it's also for a traffic. So get more messages, it's for a sales. Get more page followers, so it's for a traffic. Promote your business locally, it's a traffic also. And to get more leads, which is for sales. So for this, I will gonna choose automatic, and let's save this one. So here we have this use a post. Okay, so let's open it. And here we have here my Facebook post and the Instagram post. So since that my Instagram was already linked here in my Facebook page, so I have here this Instagram post. So if ever in the future, if I will gonna um or I will create an ads for my Instagram platform, so of course I can do that here. But for now, since that I will gonna create a Facebook ad. So let's go here in Facebook post. So I have here my previous post in my Facebook page. So let's say that I will gonna choose this one. So use a post. So here, as you notice, we have here the error message, but don't mind this because later on we can fix that one. Okay, so here we have the headline and description. So it will include a headline and description to help your customers understand what you're promoting and how to take action. This can help your ad achieve the best results. So it will be also our text ad. Okay, so here in the right side of my screen, so we already have here the post that we wanted to create an ads. Okay, so here, since that I have already here my description here, so I won't gonna change it anymore. But of course, in your side, we have a different pages, so of course you can create your own description. So description that you think that would be, or that will caught the attention of your audience. And we'll talk about more about your products. Okay, so here we have the select media. Okay, let's open that. So here we have the option if we will gonna use the images or the video. So for me, I will choose this images. Okay, so select. All right, so here let's select a photo. Okay. Okay, so here we have here the button label. So here we have an option of how we wanted that the audiences will contact us. So for me, I will gonna choose this send message where the audiences can message me on Instagram or in Messenger and WhatsApp. Okay. So here, as you noticed, the error message earlier is already removed because we already set up the button label here. So, and of course, oh, hold on. All right. And of course, here, the send message is already visible here in my post. Okay. So here we have the message template. So let's check this one. All right. So since here that I already have my greeting text and I do have my question here, so it's already good for me. I won't change it anymore. But of course, on your side, you can um freely edit here. And of course, if you have a better captions for that, of course, you can change that anytime. Okay. So for me, it's already fine. So let's save that. So here is the apps where and the audiences can contact me. So in Messenger and Instagram. I can't use now my WhatsApp because my WhatsApp is only for a personal account. I don't have yet the business account, so I can't include here my WhatsApp account. Okay. And here I have my we have here the special ad category. So if our Facebook page is dedicated with one of this category like credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, and politics, of course, we can turn that on. But since that my Facebook page is not related with these categories, so I will skip that one. And here with the audience, so let's focus here in suggested. Okay, so let's edit this audience details. Okay, so here, for the gender, of course, I will gonna choose all since that my business is all about construction services. So everyone have a dream to build their own houses, right? So, and here, as for the age, so I will gonna change the age bracket from 30 to 60. So the reason why I changed this age bracket because I wanted to have a specific audience for my Facebook ads. So yeah, so that's why I changed it to 30 years old up to 60 years old. So as for the location, so of course we have here the Philippines and for the specific location because as what I have mentioned that I wanted to have a specific audiences for my Facebook ads. So of course, I wanted also that all my settings here is specific from the gender and the age bracket and for the location as well. So I will gonna choose here the Calabar zone. So as to be more specific, then I will have that. Carmona, Cavite, since that I have here in or I am residing in Cavite. All right. So here, and okay, so we have here the detailed targeting. So let's browse this one. And we have here the demographic. So in the demographic, it talks about here the education, financial, life events, parents, relationship, work. All right. And for the interests, so we have here the business and industry, entertainment, family and relationships, fitness and wellness and food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion, sports and outdoors, and technology. And for the behaviors, so yeah, for this behavior, so this will be the people that will be riches in our Facebook ads. So it will be based on their purchase behaviors or intents like device usage or more. Okay, so we have here the anniversary, behaviors, mobile users, customer status or customer classifications in digital activities and so on and so forth. So for that, let's close this and confirm. And that's all for the demographics. So here, all right. So my audience details here is not yet saved. So let's change it again and then save it after. Okay. So for the location, it's Calabarzon. No, Calabarzon. Really? Okay. And also we have here the drop pin. So here, I have here my drop pin. Okay. And for that, let's save the audience. So here we have this so the duration, so it will talks about here the days that our ads will running and about our daily budget. So of how much budget do we have for this Facebook ads, okay? So here for this budget, so we will set up our daily budget. So for example, if I have my budget of $3, okay? So for this $3, so it says here that I can able to get six replies. So for me, six replies is already fine, okay, since I do have only my limited resources right now. So for this, as you can notice that this $3 budget, so we do only have our estimated daily results for 3,000 up to 8,700 audiences for that. So let's say if we will gonna choose this up to $5, okay? So in $5, we have the estimated daily result or the audience's size of 5,000 up to 14,600 audiences, okay? So since that I have mentioned earlier that I do only have a $3 budget for this, so let's stick on this budget. So we have $3 budget and that's for per day. And our estimated daily results will be 3,000 up to 8,700 audiences. And as for our reply, so we have here the six replies, and that's four per day. And for that, since that, and here, um, it has here the option that run this ad continuously. So for this, of course, we will be charged for a $3 budget per day. So since that I don't want to run it continuously, so let's say I will just have specific durations for that. So for example, I just only wanted to have a 7 days Facebook ads running on my page. All right. So for that, since that my budget is $3 per day and it will run for 7 days, so I will be charged for that for $21. Okay. So after that, so let's talk about here this metapixel. Okay. So if you have a website, of course, you can turn this on because for this metapixel, so we can only use this one if we have a website. And the purpose of this is to allow us to measure the effectiveness of our advertising by understanding the actions people take on our website. And for this, we can make sure that our ads are shown to the right people. So, but since in my side, I didn't have my website yet, so we can turn this on. Okay. Then let's go ahead to the payment method. Of course, we can run our Facebook without this. Okay, so let's add this one. So we have here the PayPal. So for example, you have a PayPal, of course you can select this one, that one. So here I will gonna put my credit. Okay, so here. So we will need to put our card details here. So as for me, since that this video is only for a tutorial, so it's not really my intention to create Facebook ads for this. So assuming that I have already input my card, my name here of the card, then my card number, security, or I mean expiration month and year, and the security pin or the CVV number, not security pin, security number, I mean. Then we can save this, all right? So assuming that I have already provided those information, then let's close this. And of course, after that, we will click this publish. Okay. After you click this publish, you will be notified right away by Meta that your ads is already running. All right. So here that we already discussed about the Facebook ads. So we still have more way on how we can create our post in our Facebook page, of course. So here what we did earlier is we created a Facebook ads, and now I will gonna show you on how to create a boost post. So for the two, they have no difference. Actually, it is all the same process. Both posts is already have, or they have the same process with the creating of Facebook ads. So the only difference that they have is the costing and for the budgeting of running that ads. So for that, let's I will show you. Okay, so for this I will show you for the difference of the two. So let's cancel that one and here. So let's go back to my Facebook homepage, and here for example I will gonna boost this post. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's click that one, boost post, and then let's see if they have the same process, same that we did earlier. All right, so here, so the almost the same. So with the goal, the button, so the button labels, the message template. So that is we have no description here, the product description. So we do only have our message template for this. Yeah, that's only the difference too. And here, so yeah, we have the apps where the audiences can message us. So all of the process is just the same. It only differ with the posting that I have also mentioned earlier. Okay. So for this, if in creating a Facebook ads, we do, or we only need to set up a daily budget for our ads. So here we will gonna set up a budget wherein this budget will be good, or it will be covered for the whole duration that your ads will be running in your page. Okay, so here for example that I have my $14 budget, and that will be run for 7 days. So let's try to um decrease this the amount. So let's try to make it $10. So for the $10 budget that will be run for 7 days, so here we have this warning message that we didn't have, or we can get a zero replies for that. So the best um but the best budget that we have for us to have a best result or to improve our results. So of course um we need to make our budget into $14. But let's say that we only have this budget $10. So what we are going to do for us to have a replies even even in this budget. So let's say that we have no any budget anymore, so the $10 is our last options. So we can still get a replies for that by simply decreasing or lessen this duration. So here we have the 7 days, so let's try to make it 5 days, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so here that from 7 days, I make it to 5 days for us to have a best result. So here, let's try if we can only get a replies. But yeah, here for the 5 days duration and for the $10 budget, so we have here the replies. So we can get a replies for 3 to 11 replies, and that's for per day. But the audiences, the number of audiences that will be reached with this post is only for 2,200 people up to 6,400. Okay, so as for me, that's already fine because as I've mentioned earlier, we only have this budget, the $10 budget. Okay, so for that, since that in Boost Post, so we will only need to have or to set up a budget, and that will be covered for the whole duration of your Facebook page. So for this, we will only be charged for $10. So it's different from creating a Facebook that we can set up a lower amount for as low as $3 per day, but that will be just for a day. Then let's say that your ads will run for 5 days, so that would be $15. So here it's different because we only have to set up a budget, and that's for the whole duration of our Facebook ads. All right, so I believe that we have already understand the differentiate with the two in creating a Facebook ads and the boost post. So that would be all for me, and I hope that you learned something from this tutorial. And thank you so much for watching, and bye.